Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw AdSense revenue for video monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw AdSense revenue, start by ensuring your YouTube channel is eligible for monetization. Once you confirm your eligibility, link your YouTube channel to an AdSense account. If you don't have an AdSense account, create one by visiting the AdSense website. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. After setting up your AdSense account, return to your YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, navigate to the Monetization tab. Confirm that your AdSense account is linked successfully. Next, ensure you have reached the payment threshold of $100 in your AdSense account. Once you reach the threshold, AdSense will process your earnings for withdrawal. Log into your AdSense account. Go to the Payments section in the menu. Here, you will see your current earnings and payment summary. If your earnings have reached the payment threshold, you will see an option to initiate a payment. Select the option to receive your earnings. Choose your preferred payment method, such as direct bank transfer or check. For bank transfers, ensure your banking information is correctly entered. Verify that all details are accurate to avoid payment issues. Once you initiate the payment, monitor the status in the Payments section. Payments can take a few days to process, so be patient. After processing, your funds will be transferred according to your chosen payment method. Check your bank account or mailbox, depending on how you opted to receive your earnings. If you encounter any issues, consult the AdSense Help Center for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your AdSense revenue from YouTube monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.